Hi everyone, it's Succulents Box here, and here's what you should do after getting your plant mail. First, inspect the conditions they're in. If they're dry and bare root, you could go ahead and repot them. And don't water immediately after you repot them. Wait 2 to 3 days, then you can water them. If they're already in their pot, you can leave them there and wait 2 to 3 days before watering them. Or you could repot them if you'd like to. Then, if they're bare root and the roots look moist, then let them root dry for 1 to 2 days before potting them. Again, wait 2 to 3 days before watering your plants. If they're in their pot and the soil looks damp, then you should see if your plants show signs of being overwatered, like brown, yellow, squishy, or translucent leaves. If they don't, then you should leave them be and wait until the soil is completely dry to water them. If they do, then you should take the plants out. Allow them to dry up for 1 to 2 days and then repot them. That's all for today. Happy planting! See you next time!